Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Complex Numbers and Quadratic Equation Miscellaneous Exercise question number 5 in that second subdivision. Let's see the question. Convert the following in the polar form. We need to convert the given complex number to a polar form. Here it is given as 1 plus 3i by 1 minus 2i. So to convert the polar form, if there is no denominator, it will be easy for us to convert. If there is a complex number in the denominator, it's quite difficult. For that reason, I am going to conjugate the given question. Here it is given as 1 plus 3i by 1 minus 2i. I am going to conjugate this. To conjugate, just multiply with the opposite sign. If it is minus, multiply with plus. If it is plus, multiply with minus. Here it is minus. I am going to multiply the numerator and the denominator with the same number, that is 1 plus 2i. In the denominator, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. I can write this to be a square minus b square. Here in the denominator, a square is 1 square minus b square is 2i the whole square. Now in the numerator we need to do binomial multiply 1 with both the thing, the same way with 3i, multiply with both. If I multiply, I get 1 ones are 1 plus 2i. Here if I multiply with 3i, I get 3i plus 3 2s are 6i square. Solve the like terms. Here it becomes 1 plus 5i plus 6 into i square is minus 1. So minus 1 into 6 will become minus 6 by, here in the denominator it becomes 1 minus 2 2s are 4. So 4 into i square, here it becomes i square. So 4 into i square we know that it is minus 1. So minus into minus will become plus 2 2s are 4. Now solving this 2, we get 5i minus 5 by 5. Taking minus common outside, I minus 1 by 5 gets cancelled. So your final resultant is minus 1 plus I. Always write the real part first. So it is minus 1 plus I. I am getting minus 1 plus I. To convert this to a polar form, the polar form should be of r cos theta plus IR sin theta. This will be your polar form. So we need to convert this form to a polar form. So my polar form will be r cos theta plus IR sin theta. So I need to convert this to this form. In that we know that the real part is this and the imaginary part is this. So equating the real part to a real part and the imaginary part to a imaginary part, we get minus 1 is equal to r cos theta. Same way, leaving I get plus 1 is equal to r sin theta. Taking this equation to be 1 and 2, I am going to square equation 1 and 2 and we are going to add. First write squaring and adding. Squaring and adding equation 1 as well as equation 2. Now if I square LHS side different LHS side separately and add it, same way on the RHS side square and add it. If I square this 2, I get 1 square will become 1 minus of also will become plus 1. Here plus 1 is equal to here r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. Taking r square common, I get cos square theta plus sin square theta, which we know it is 1. So here it becomes 2. We know this to be 1. So r square equal to 2. So my r will be equal to root 2. So r will be equal to root 2. We got r value. We need to find the sin theta and the cos theta value. For that, we know that we are going to divide equation 2 by 1. If I take 2 by 1, we know that this will become sin by cos. So sin by cos, I can get tan theta. We know the formula of tan theta equal to modulus b by a. So I am going to divide now equation 2 with equation 1. So let's see now. dividing equation 2 with equation 1. Here it is r sin theta by r cos theta is equal to the modulus of b by a. Here tan theta equal to modulus b by a. So here b is just write the values of dividing 2 by 1. So 2 by 1 is dividing sin theta value of LHS by the cos theta value of LHS. Here r get cancelled. We can write this to be tan theta equal to plus 1, because in modulus it becomes plus 1. Though it is minus 1 modulus, it becomes plus 1. We know that tan theta equal to tan 45, that is tan pi by 4. 180, we know that pi is 180, so 180 divided by 4 will become 45 degree. Now theta value is pi by 4. Now let's move on to the question. In the question it's given as the after conjugation we got the question to be minus 1 plus I. Here the real part is negative. Real part is negative and the imaginary part is positive. So we know that one it is negative and positive, then it should be in the second quadrant, because we know that for in the quadrant rule here it is plus plus, here it is minus plus. Because of the negative value of x-axis it is minus plus, here it is minus minus, here it is plus minus. So it is in the second quadrant, therefore the point lies in the second quadrant. We know that this now lies in the second quadrant. So in the second quadrant the formula will be pi minus theta. So I am going to substitute pi minus theta to find the theta value, the argument z is equal to, then pi minus theta is the formula I need to use. We know that theta value is pi by 4. So just substitute the value over here. Take LCM, directly multiply this because of 1 in the denominator. If I multiply, it becomes 4 pi minus pi and it becomes 3 pi by 4. So your argument z will be 3 pi by 4. Now substitute the value of theta. Here the theta value is your argument value. So we know that minus 1 plus I. I am going to change this to a polar form. We know the formula is r cos theta plus IR sin theta. Just substitute the value here. Taking r common, I get cos theta plus I sin theta. R value we found that to be root 2. Here cos theta values, substitute the argument value, not the theta value over here. This is the argument z value, which is 3 pi by 4 plus I sin 3 pi by 4. This is the required polar form for the given question. That's all with the sum. Thank you.